Cabinet approved Deep Ocean Mission. This will support blue economy. The main features of that are mineral study, 6,000 meters deep in sea. The changes, if any, to be noticed because of climate change. To study more deep sea biodiversity. There will be deep sea ocean survey. There will be advanced marine station for ocean biology. And there will also be offshore ocean thermal energy part of mission. So this all will help new emerging sectors in startups because this technology is not available in market. It's with limited 5 countries, US, Russia, France, Japan, China. India will be now 6th country to have it. And so there is good opportunity for our own small industries and research. And more importantly, this is also our travel in the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat.